SGMO Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Sangamo Therapeutics, it's a bullish market for me and I'm still looking to take things higher before I get into it deeper. Just for context, I've done 33,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course 7 trips over the last 4 years time period, and I've documented it all. With SGMO, previously called out some bullish delivery here, and then here, this was my look in December. There you go, 9 days ago. That's how my prediction looked like. So I really wanted to see a clear shift, double break before anything happened. And what actually happened is the price gave me this exact thing. And all I can do right now is just kind of wait for this thing to deliver towards the highs or just come back down hitting the break even, which I really would not care. I mean, obviously I would love to see the thing hit TPs, but it's part of the game. I have no control or outcome out of it. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.